Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular paraphrasing tools, Wordtune and Quillbot. If you're looking for a tool to help you rewrite text efficiently, this comparison is for you. First off, let's talk about Wordtune. This tool impressed us with its intuitive interface and robust paraphrasing capabilities. We found that Wordtune offers a wide range of options for rewriting text, allowing users to choose from various tones and styles. Additionally, the paraphrased results were consistently high quality, making it a reliable choice for content creators looking to refresh their text. On the other hand, Quillbot also proved to be a strong contender in the paraphrasing game. While it may not offer as many features as Wordtune, Quillbot still delivers solid results. We appreciated its straightforward approach and ease of use, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. The paraphrased content generated by Quillbot was impressive and met our expectations in terms of quality and uniqueness. Now let's talk about pricing. Wordtune offers a range of subscription plans, including a free version with limited features and paid plans with additional perks such as tone adjustment and team billing. Quillbot, on the other hand, is more budget-friendly, making it an attractive option for users looking to save some cash while still getting reliable paraphrasing results. Thank you for watching our comparison review of Wordtune versus Quillbot. If you're interested in trying out either of these tools, be sure to check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you again soon.